Welcome the energy of spring with this Ostara ritual. Celebrate the balance of light and dark as the wheel of the year turns once more. Decorate your altar with the colors of the season, vibrant blooms, fresh greens, and symbols of fertility like eggs and young animals. If possible, perform this ritual at sunrise to connect with the Earth's awakening energy. You'll need 3 candles, green for the Earth, yellow for the sun, and purple for the divine, along with a bowl of milk and a small bowl of honey. Light the green candle and say, "The wheel of the year turns once more, and the earth awakens from its slumber. New life springs forth once more." Now, light the yellow candle and say, "The sun greets the earth with warmth, bringing life to all in its path." Finally, light the purple candle, honoring the divine. Spring has come. The sacred is all around us, in the rain, the budding flowers, and the life within. Take a deep breath and reflect. How do you find balance between light and dark in your own life? Blend the milk and honey together and offer it to the earth, saying, "I give thanks for the blessings I've received, and those yet to come." Feel the harmony of this moment. You are in perfect balance, light and dark, winter and summer, transformation and renewal. Welcome life. Welcome light. Welcome spring.